Hello, welcome. Episode 17 on statistics, still dwelling on the central tendencies. The following are scores obtained by some students in a text. As we are seeing, we are finding the mode, the median, and the mean, and the student who had above what the average, which is the mean. So let's see, in solving this, we can solve it without a table, but I would prefer to start with a table. So I'll have score, which will be taking our x. I will also be dealing with tally. Then I will deal with frequency, which will be our f. Then the final one will be fx, which is the multiplication of the score and the frequency, showing the total appearance. So now let's see the data in ascending order. I think we have 8, 10, and what? 18. Okay, so these are the entries that we have. So we need to find out how many 8 we are having. We have only one 8. Tally is a stroke. Then we have frequency, one appearance. Then we come to 10. 10 appear only one. I think 8 appear twice. So this become 2. 10 appear only one. 11 once. 13 2 3. We have 1 2 3. 14 appear only 1 2. So we are having 14. Then we come to 15. 1. 16. 1. 17. 18. 2. Okay, so let's look at the total number of values. This is 1 2 3 5 10. So then 14. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 14. Our total frequency is correct because the entries given to us, we are 14 numbers. The next is to find fx. The x multiply f, that is fx. So 8 times 2, that will give you 16 times 1, 10. Okay, 11 times 1 will be 11. 3 times this 30, 39. This is going to be 28. 1 times this 15, 16, 17, 20, 36. So sigma fx, we need to add all those values and see. And if we add all of that, we should be having 188. All right. So let's see. The first thing we have to find is the mode. What is the mode? The most occurring data, or in this case, the score that appears the most. So we look at the frequency. The highest one gives us the definition for what? The most occurring data. So 3 is the highest here, meaning 13 appears what? The most. So the mode is what? 13. Then let's see number 2, which is median. Median also is the middle number, right? The middle score. And in this case, we are having this. So here, let me just leave here. So I give the formula direct. Okay. We know this is going to be giving us, we don't have a space. So let's clear the top and add it to it. So to find the median, we are still number 2. It is 1/2 sigma f and 1/2 sigma f plus 1. Why am I adding plus 1? Because this is what? Even number. The total frequency is even. So we follow this. This means 1/2 times 14 and 1/2 times 14 plus 1. This simply means that half of this is what? 7th, and this is 7 plus 1, 8th position. When you are adding, or when you arrange all these numbers in ascending order, you can see that this will be 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, 11, 13, 13, 13. As you are arranging it, you are counting. So this plus this, 3, 4. 4 plus this, 7. So the 7th position is going to be what? 13. So we are going to have this. Let me make it here. The median is going to be the arithmetic mean of the 7th position, which is 13, and the 8th position is going to be here, because this is 3, 4, 7, 9. So we counted 14, 1. So 14 divided by 2. This gives you 20, 27 divided by 2. That should be 1. 3, right? Point what? 5. So we have 13.5. So that is for the median. How about the mean? How do we find the mean? We know that the mean is the sigma f x over sigma f. So sigma f x is 188. Then this is what? 14. Let's divide that on our calculator. That will give you 13.42. Now you can see that 13 is going to be the whole number. This is not up to approximate. So we can say for a whole number, the mean is going to be 13. But the question was, how many students have above the mean? How many students have above the mean? People who have above the mean is going to be 14. One person, okay, 2 people. 15, 16, 17, and 18. So to find number of students, so the number of students who score above the mean will be from here. There are 2. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 2. This is 3, right? So it's going to be what? 7. So 7 students. The mean is the average of the marks. Those who have above average is going to be 7. Below average will also be there. I guess the concept is clear. We are only trying to explain the central tendency, mode, mean, and what? Median. This is for when the sigma f is an even number. If it is an odd number, then into bracket this plus 1. That's how it will be done. You can check the previous episode for that explanation also. I think episode 6 will explain this concept for you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.